Today I have fonts that you need to download. These all are free and have a commercial license. You really won't believe these are free. The first one is Lisha. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but Lisha is a free, thick-lettered modern display font. It's a really unique typeface with lots of quirky elements within it. It's more of a serif typeface because of the serif nature that it has throughout, but it's really nice to put into client work for maybe anything vintage or modern that you need to have a bit of a retro approach to. I love the old style look of this, and for specific projects, even just for branding or having it on a label or even t-shirt design, this is a great font to have in your arsenal. Lisha comes in one weight, and that's okay because it's a display type. This is made to be seen in big areas or even in smaller areas, but made to be seen standalone. Because this is such a unique font, it's great to use within brand identity. It gives its own unique flares, and it's also great to use in posters or any other labeling work that you would do. The only downside is that it can be hard to read at smaller scales because it doesn't scale too well, so keep it as a display type. Now the second font is Robo Serif. You may have heard of Roboto, everyone knows it. It's a Google font that is free to download. Now within the Roboto family, we now have a serif version. The idea of Robo Serif is to be easily readable in all formats. Now Robo Serif is a variable typeface family designed to create a comfortable and frictionless reading experience. It's minimal and highly functional no matter where you use it, whether it's on a smartphone, whether it's on print, whether it's on a website, and due to its extensive set of weights and widths across the board of optical sizes, it's easy to read wherever you are. Now variable fonts are different from normal fonts because it allows you to change the weight of the font and maybe how italicized or how thick it is on sliders. Now Greg from Commercial Type says this: "In some ways, this is proof of concept in the world for variable fonts. We wanted to make a showpiece of a vanilla text typeface for comfortable reading that can be finely adjusted." The great thing about Robo Serif is that it can be adjusted in very small increments or large increments as well. This gives you the utmost flexibility for the correct font wherever it needs to be, whether it's on an Apple Watch, smartphone, a poster, a website, a book. Wherever you think you need to read something, Robo Serif has you covered. Third font is Geogm. Geogm is a contemporary geometric sans serif typeface, and it has 7 weights. Now this typeface is intended as a display typeface, but it works in small text too. What I love about Geogm is the fact that it is so friendly but also professional at the same time. It's so difficult to find a very nice looking sans serif typeface. In some parts of Geogm you can see, especially with the E, that it is a bit more dynamic. It has movement, it's a bit more playful, and it is completely geometric in the way that it's formed. It's a really clean typeface. You can use it for logo design, for branding, for anything on your Instagram, and it's free for commercial use, of course. Geogm typeface comes with 7 weights, and again it is variable as well, so technically it comes with a few hundred different weights. Now the last typeface that we're going to be looking at is Meshed Display. Of course, this is free to download and free for commercial use. Now this is a typeface made for people who love letter forms. These serifs have a strong vertical contrast between thick and vertical stems and fine horizontal hairlines. It's very nice and contrasting. Meshed has 18 weights, and it is also variable, meaning you can change the slant and the weight to your heart's content whenever you want. It's beautifully proportioned and it's super nicely retro yet modern. Again, this is more of a display font, so you don't want it to be used within body text all the time, but this is great for album artwork, posters, even logo designs as well. Although I would highly recommend, if using for a logo design, to edit certain parts and make it really your own. Now if you like this video and you want to see more, then let me know down below. We're going in a different direction with this one. Make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. We bring out tutorials and videos every week, helping you become the best designer you can possibly be. Thanks for watching.